Hello everyone, this is a demonstration how to use the manager tool in its update and test functions. So I have OpenCM9.04-C here, an older one, so that I can show you how the update of the firmware works. And I only have a couple of XL-320s here to show you how they look. So we go update. Happen to be a COM port, by the way. I'm using this is an LN101. So we go to USB serial port COM12. My particular case 57K. Okay, at first detected that my 904 happened to be current version is 20, latest is 21. So I got to change to update that one. So I have two XL-320, one ID11, it's older version 27, the newest one is 30. The 12 happened to be at 30 already. Okay, so let's see how they're progressing. You want to, oh yeah. Okay. Update in progress. Oh, we have to wait. See, put it back quickly then. This is because we're using the LN101. So it done that part. Okay, see 11 now. It update that 11 because it was at 27. It's going to go to 30 now. It's done. The installation was successful. Next, here we go. So we go in. So there are various things here. It will be shown later in the book. We don't have any sensors, so you see they're just running a high value, no reason. Okay, so 11. So that's exactly for all XL-320. Example, I can just, you can hear them move. So I have so this one here, you can see go and it starts flashing. So this is one of my bad actuator. You see it's overheat, so they become like that.